Hello and welcome. My name is Mr. Nguyen, and in this video series, I'll be taking you through how to play Baby Shark on the piano. Now, this tutorial is split up into 3 parts. Level 1 is the right hand, and the right hand plays the melody, which is the part we usually sing in a song. Then we get into level 2, which is, as you probably guessed, the left hand. And the left hand plays the bass line, which is what supports the melody in the right hand. Once you've mastered each of these hands separately, we can then move into level 3, where we work on both hands together. And before we jump in, or rather dive in, I have some reminders before I send you off to level 1. Please remember that you can pause the videos at any time to practice and absorb the information, and you can also rewind and replay any spots that you need. So take this at your own pace and do your best. So stay focused, make sure you're really taking it in, and if you're still confused or have questions, you can always ask for help. Go ahead and raise your hand if you need help, and that's what the teachers are here for. So with that, I'll send you off on to level 1 to work on the right hand. So take care and have fun.